We know that the anatomy of interventricular septum is a bit complicated to orient because whatever we read and see is two-dimensional, whereas the interventricular septum is actually a three-dimensional structure. So I thought having a video clip will help us to understand the interventricular septum better. So I'm going to take you through this video where you will see the relation of interventricular septum with the outflow tracts and the inflows or the opening of mitral and tricuspid valve and how they are arranged, so that whenever we see any pathology in the fetal echocardiography, we can better orient ourselves, and that's the aim of this video. Now, to start with, this is right atrium, right ventricle, IVC and SVC draining into right atrium. This is aorta, ascending aorta, pulmonary veins, and this is the right pulmonary artery. This is descending aorta, left pulmonary artery. This is the opening of the tricuspid valve, the same areas here. This is the inlet and this is the outlet septum, and this area is the membranous septum, as you can see here in this still image. This is the ventricle part and apical trabecular part of the ventricle. Now you can compare with the still image and let's see the same picture. In this view we are getting better oriented. This is the pulmonary valve and this is the aorta here, and this becomes the outlet septum and this becomes the membranous septum. So this is the inlet septum, outlet septum, the membranous septum and trabecular septum. Now coming to the left side, this is the mitral valve, tricuspid valve, and this goes in with the still image. This image, this section goes similar to the still image here. Now this is the apical trabecular part, this is the outlet part, this is the inlet part and this small area. This is all outlet. This small area becomes the perimembranous part or the membranous septum. Now we can orient ourselves with the still image that's present here. Now in this view we are seeing both mitral valve, tricuspid valve, also pulmonary valve and the aortic valve. So all the four valves I have tried to bring into the section so that this part of the septum, you can better orient that septum. That is the perimembranous septum that causes most of the confusion for us. So that septum can be better oriented. And this relation and this imagination of this particular section is very, very important for us. And it is in this portion that the membranous septum is present. And that brings to the end of this session. Thank you very much.